house.
There's no one.
You want to try this one?
Yeah, I want to play that one.
This one might be a little loud.
Abby, we sit down and watch. Only on.
I want to do that.
Do you want to be a firefighter when you grow up?
Emma, do you like fireworks?
No.
The fire away.
It's a little house.
Yeah, see,
it's a
because
pagoda.
they're hot. It's like the stove. It'll hurt you.
Whoa.
We just watch.
What's going to happen, Camila?
Go kick it, Jason. Get it going.
Whee!
We need a. I ever brought like a board or something, like a piece of wood that would be flat.
That was weird. Okay, that wasn't expected.
I think it's because it's on. I think it's because it's on a hill. It needs something a little more flat.
Oh,
yeah.
now it's going on fire.
Yeah, the pagoda's gonna burn. Sweet, check that out. Jason, your pagoda is going up. Nice.
Oh yeah. Pagoda is burning up.
The roof. The roof.
The roof is on fire.
What's going to happen with that one?
Wow!